Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the tongue. I'm gonna bring you guys a new video. In this video, like you can see, I'm making my homemade deep conditioner. This one is a mix of several things, and I add my favorite deep conditioner. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down below where some of the other DIYs you want me to do, but let's quickly go into the video. I'm starting off with things that I need. I need some coconut oil, got a blender going. I got my I use one egg because I just didn't want to put too much protein. And I have my 3-minute Aussie Moist conditioner with 2 avocados. And yeah, so I'm just prepping things right now, making sure that I have everything I needed. So, and I also have water going, so I warm up hot water. I have hot water for melting the coconut oil. So the first thing I do is making my ingredients, which are avocado and my eggs. One of my avocado had a bit of a bad section, so I just kind of left that out and make sure that I scoop them all out. My son is in the background, I don't know. But anyways, so I'm trying to make sure that I get rid of the black spots because I don't want that onto my hair. But anyways, let's continue doing this. So I'm just gonna scoop out the last piece of the avocado and put it into the blender. The next step again is just to scrape the egg into your mixture. And as soon as it's all done, mixed all together, look how thick it is. So I just transfer that into my receiving bowl. That's my kitchen bowl. It broke, and yeah, that's what you do. Recycle your bottles. Gosh, recycle your plates if you really can use it. So that's my plate I use it now for my hair stuff. So yeah, I make sure I just get rid of everything. The reason I open the bottom is just so I can get the whole product, just get enough out from there. And the same thing with the base of the blender. So yeah, next I go ahead, look at that, looks really thick. That's what I like. The next thing I go in is just 2 scoops of coconut oil. That's an organic coconut oil. Coconut oil and avocado are really amazing because it really helps with really moisturizing most of the time, making sure that you have that protein, especially if you're adding protein into your hair. You use the egg is a protein in this type of deep conditioning making. So yeah, the next step, again, this is basically almost the last step. I just add in my deep conditioner. I kind of squeeze it in, see how much consistency I like it, then go ahead with my melted coconut oil. And I'm probably just gonna melt it more because there was a few pieces that were not melted down, and just go ahead and actually add it. I started off with spoons, but I ended up actually dumping the whole oil because I just needed my hair moisturized at the end. But yeah, and then I just end up just mixing everything together using my plastic spoon that's just scale again from my kitchen because I don't use it, and I just have it now for my hair. So yeah, this is it, almost the last step. Because my hair, guys, like if you didn't know, you're new in the channel here, I have very long hair currently, longer than I expected. So I kind of wanted to make a little bit more, so I just added more of my deep conditioner just to kind of making sure that I don't have some of my hair left out, and I want my hair concentrated in one of these deep conditioner. This conditioner is amazing. I loved it. It was so good to put into my hair. But anyways, look at it. So that's the final consistency that I have come to. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is how I actually make this. I'm still working on my DIYs. Anyways, so I'm gonna quickly end it here. This is the end of my DIYs. I'm gonna do part 2 of this. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks onto my hair, but otherwise, with no further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.